Oh, I just saw one of my dream cars. Used to actually, I still do, always wanted one of these. I'm on my way to Cooter's garage. And here's a Comanche. Oh man, I've always wanted one of these to make it a lowrider. This is pretty cool. It's in pretty good shape. Wow. I wish I had the money for this. It's not a lot either. Man. Looks really good. I mean, it's a little bit beat up. A little beat up, but the body is pretty straight. I've always liked these Comanches, man. You know, just because they're pickups. I think this would look really badass. That's a car. That's a lowrider, I mean. Lowrider truck. Whew. It's not bad, man. If anybody's interested, it's a 89 Comanche. There's the number. They want $3,000 or best offer. It's not a bad deal, man. Yeah, I like how it's got the little wheel flares. It will really look good with some 14x7s. I know most of you guys think I'm fucking retarded, but this has really been one of my dream cars to turn into a Lolo. Damn. Real nice car. It's in awesome shape too. Roll down windows. Nice toolbox in the back. Not bad. Man, you don't see these a lot. Well, if anybody interested, there it is. Like I said, we're heading over to Cooter's garage. They're gonna have a car show going on over there in Luray, Virginia. So we're gonna go check that out. I'll see you guys in a little bit.